Hi, I'm Mick Sadler, and today we're going to look at the FeiyuTech Gimbal. Big shout out to FeiyuTech as they sent this gimbal. There's no preconditions or anything. They asked me what I liked, and I chose the G6 Plus because I've got a GoPro. I've got a Fuji XT-3 that we're recording on at the moment, and a Sony RX100, and I thought this gimbal would handle the lot. So we're going to have a look at this gimbal. We're going to do an unboxing to see exactly what's in the package. Okay, so what's in the box? And we open it up, and there's a lovely little box inside. It's a plastic, and it's all contained well within this box. There is some paperwork. You've got a quick start guide and stuff, but the best place to go is online. You can download the manual, the full manual, and really gives you sort of explicit instructions about the gimbal. So we have a phone holder, and that will go on top, and so you can use your phone. Also have some accessories in this little box, and you've got a GoPro mount, a couple of thumb screws, and also a USB micro. So with the gimbal you get a rechargeable battery that's kept separate, but that goes in. And there's the micro USB on the side, which is for charging, and various controls. So there's a quick release plate on this gimbal. It allows you to attach camera and slide in and out, and that's one of your adjustments. The gimbal is very well made, and it's got a light rubberised handle. It's really nice feel to it. And it's pretty solid. So it's got this sliding plate which you mount your camera. There's a little catch on the bottom so you can take it out, and this fits on the bottom of your camera, and then you can slide it in, and you can probably have it and mark it so that you can line it up, and there's a little catch on the bottom there which tightens it up, keeps it solid. But it's very well built. It's all made of metal, and we can fit the Fujifilm XT-3 on here. It's a little bit more tricky to balance, but if you balance it up, it's quiet and works really well. Now you need a little tripod to go on the bottom, and FeiyuTech do sell them. It's always good to get it with the thing, but I'm going to use this one today to balance it. Okay, so the manual for this you can download off the internet, and it's quite a good manual. It's quite specific on how to balance your gimbal. I'm going to show you here. I've got this little Sony RX100 mounted in the middle here, and this outside, take that right down, and now you really got to get your camera more or less balanced so that it's balanced in that way. So as to have your motor over this side. So there's a nut here you turn, and this arm moves in and out. So you loosen this off, this arm will move in and out, and you can see where it goes. So first of all, the motor needs to be horizontal, like that. Then we can tighten this knob here. So we tighten that up, and that's the first one done. We then go on to the either side, and that's this nut here. So we undo this nut, and you can see that would take you balance right away over that side. If you take it there, it will go there. So what you need to do is need to balance this up so that it really goes the same either way. And again, you tighten this up to stop it moving. So once we're balanced like that, we can then turn our attention to this one, adjust this up and down so that you can tilt it in any direction and it stays. So if we move it up, yeah, we balance that now. So we're all pretty balanced. And now we can switch it on. So there's this button here in the middle, switches it on, and it goes to the starting position. And so on the back you've got a little joystick here which will allow you to rotate and do everything you want. There are other functions, and we can go over those other functions in the next video. But on the back here, so if you take this really out of sync, there's a button on which is the front, and you double tap that and it brings it round all square, all ready to go. Right, we've got the Fujifilm XT-3 on the gimbal, and although we've sort of tried to balance it up, it's a bit top heavy. We've got the microphone on top as well, and we've got the 18-55 kit lens on there. So we're just going to support it while we turn it on. So once it's on, because this is at the extreme limit of the gimbal, you thought it would struggle, but there's no struggle involved at all with it. In fact, it's very smooth, and we can do vlogging style, and yeah, it worked pretty well. So have a look out for our second video, which we're going to show you the functions and the functionality of how this works. This is a small sample with the GoPro, and in our next video we'll show you exactly how it works and the functions, and also give some classic moves. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell, because if you hit the bell you'll be informed every time we upload a video. And leave a comment down below. Are there any gimbals that you like, or any functions that you think they should include in the gimbal or do include in the gimbal? And are there any gimbals you think we should review? Anyway, that's all said. Thanks for watching and staying up till the end here, and we'll see you again next time.